Hello everyone, today ma'am will teach you E letter sound and today I have 3 sound combination for you. Hey, ready for it? Et. Wow, et. So first we will tell the sound of letter E, which is A. A. Look at my mouth everyone. It's A. A. Sound of letter E. Now I am going to tell the sound of letter T. It's T, T, T. Now put them together. A, T, A, T, A, T, at, at, at. Okay. Now the first word is jet. Wow, it's jet. So first I will tell the sound of letter J, which is J. J, 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 at, J, at, J, at, jet, jet, jet. Wow! Now the second word is net. Yes. So first I am going to tell the sound of letter N, which is N. Now look at my tongue. It is upside. At, 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 net, net, net. So net. Wow, it's very simple. Now the third word is it's wet, wet. So first I am going to tell the sound of letter W, which is wa. Wa, wa. Here, look at my mouth, everyone. Wa, 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 at, wet. Wa, at, wet. Wa, at, wet. Now say it softly. Wet, wet. Wow, it's very simple. Okay, now it's time to meet second sound combination, which is ed. Ed. Okay, now first ma'am will tell you the sound of letter E, which is A. A. D. D. Sound of letter D. A. D. Now put them together. A. D. A. D. Ad. Now the first word is bed. Bed. So first ma'am will tell you the sound of letter B, which is B. B. Very softly we will tell the sound of letter B. B. Not ba, 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 ba. This is wrong. How we will say? We will say B, B, B. Okay kids? Now B, et, B, ed, B, ed, bed. Bed, bed. Wonderful. Now the second word is red. Red is a color. Okay, now first ma'am will tell the sound of letter R, which is R, 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 R. Look at my tongue. Look at my tongue. It is down. R, 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 and R, and. My tongue came up for the sound of letter D. R, at, R, and, R, at, red, 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 red. Wow, it is very simple. Now let's meet the third combination, which is an. So first ma'am will tell the sound of letter E, which is A. A. And the sound of letter N is N. Look at my tongue. It is up. N, N, A, N, and, N, A, N, and. Wonderful. So the first word is hen. Okay, very softly we will tell the sound of letter H, which is and hen, hen, hen. Wow, it is very simple. Now, the second word is men. Okay, so first I am going to tell the sound of letter M, which is Just join your lips. And men. Wow! I hope you all enjoyed my class and keep practicing daily. Bye bye. See you in the next class.